Thanks for joining me again. If you are stumbling upon this and didn't watch the previous videos, you are probably coming here from either a regular YouTube search or maybe you did find my blog on 5 easy ways to make Google Analytics yours. Right now I'm actually in my wife's strongfemaleboss.com website analytics, and we are looking at her filters. Some ways we're excluding. We just talked about excluding webmaster or just general IP addresses, and we also talked about getting rid of some of the bots. If you're just joining us, I'm just down here in admin, and I'm over here in filters. But what we're going to do right now is talk about view settings, and I only have the one. So a view, essentially, you can create multiple views. I believe you can get up to 20 views, and this is just your a way you can look at your website in a different aspect. So right now I have this master view, and I have all these filters, meaning if somebody comes from my address, from where I'm at, it's not going to show up. Well, maybe you want to know how many times you went to the website for some reason, or maybe you want to exclude, a lot of times you can create a view that only shows social media traffic. In my case, I typically create views for, the master one that I'm going to use most of my analytics for. I create a test one, so that way if I'm doing any type of filtering, and I can run the test first to make sure it doesn't break anything. And then I just have one that's a raw data view and it has everything. In this case, we just created her master data view. I'm going to create a view, and all you have to do is create a view here, and you can call it whatever you want, but I always make the number 2 as a test view, and you basically have to pick your time frame and 25 views. I apologize, I misspoke by saying 20. I don't use that many, but all you have to do is hit create view. It's pretty simple. So now when you look at it, this view doesn't have those filters. It doesn't have anything. See, I can start making new filters and try different things, set up different goals, and then when I want to look at it up here, I can just click on here and view master or data test view. Now we're going to create another one, which is create view, and this one right here is raw data view. And this I will use 0. I will not use a single filter, and this will have spam bots, everything. It's it'll do whatever. So you can go through here. In this case, I don't really care if I ever have bots, so I still will keep that. But I'm not going through and doing any other type of filters with this bot. But this is a way you can actually test some things out without damaging your analytics. It's best to try it. Once you put some type of filter in place, that data is then permanent and you can't go back. So having a test view, a raw data view, and your master view, where basically once everything's tested, this is the data you'll use for most of your information. So that is one easy way to customize your Google Analytics.